kids! Welcome to Kids School Art! Today, we are going to draw ice cream truck. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing body of our ice cream truck. This truck is going to be very colorful. I like ice cream truck. Now, we are drawing wheels of our ice cream truck. Have you ever seen an ice cream truck? It supplies yummy ice cream in our streets. Now, we are drawing a dummy ice cream. It is placed at top of our truck. Our truck has variety of ice cream. Which ice cream do you like? Look! Wheels of the truck are rotating. Wow! So awesome ice cream truck! Now, we are drawing a girl. She is selling yummy ice cream. Look! Girl has ice cream cone in her hand. Our truck is going to be so awesome. Let's do coloring. Red. See you in next video. Take care!